Hello everybody, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to fix a pocket to your trouser. So if this is what you like to learn, let's get straight to the video. So this is the front side of the trouser. So from the edge by the side, I'll go in by 1.5 inches. That's the amount I want to go in. Then the length of the pocket is going to be 7 inches and I've already marked it. Then I'll go in by half inches. You can see that I notch it half inches, and upper there too I notch it and I'll bend it over. You can see I bend it over with an iron. So the pocket itself, the length I'll be using for the pocket, the length is going to be 12 inches. Then the width is 7 inches on fold. On open, it's going to be 14 inches, you can see. So I'll bring in the trouser now. You can see that by the side, it is slanted, it is not straight. So I'm going to make the pocket also like that. It's going to be slanted as well. So I'll just fix them on each other like so, front to front, front of the trouser with the front of the pocket. I'll fix them to each other like so, and I'll use a pin to pin it down. So I'll just follow the shape and cut it out. So the sides can be the same thing. So I'll cut the excess part out. So after that, I'm not going to remove the pin. I'm still going to sew on both the trouser and the pockets, following the line that I'm showing you there. Remember, you're going to bend it over. Then that line, you just follow the line exactly and sew it. It's going to be slanted. After sewing, you can see how it looks like. You can see the stitch. And remember, we placed it front to front. So what I'm going to do now, the pocket side, we are going to notch it as well. The same notch that we give, and it will stop at where we sew. It should not be more than, and it should not be less than. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring the pocket backward. You know the pocket is going to be on the wrong side of the trouser. So the next thing I'll do now, go over to the ironing table and iron it. And I'll come back to show you how it looks like. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to stitch on it in such a way that the stitch is going to appear on the pocket itself, not the trouser. And this is the inside. You can see the stitch. You can decide to make it outside, depending on how you want it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold the pocket over the way I did in the video. Just fold it over like so. You can see, fold it exactly like so. You can see that it's becoming a pocket. So after that, the down part, we are just going to stitch with half of an inch. So mine, I'm going to stitch my own straight. If you wish, you can decide to give it a curve. So I didn't give mine a curve because I just wanted to maintain the English mouth at the down of the trouser. So I have finished stitching it. I'm just illustrating the curve for you guys if you want to do yours like so. So I have finished stitching it, you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to stitch both the pocket and the trouser together. So I'll bring it over to the front and stitch with 1/4 of an inch right from where the knot starts from to where the pocket stops. You can see how it is looking like. You can see the stitch I just made on it. So the last but not the least that we are going to do is just to stitch the up parts, the trouser and the pocket together with same 1/4 of an inch, and we are done with the pocket. You can see that this method is very simple. Before making any stitch, make sure the pocket is well arranged, it is well balanced. It is advisable to iron as you are sewing. So I was ironing my own as I was sewing. You can see that everything is well balanced. There's no gallop anywhere. So you can see how the bucket is looking. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring out the shape of my trouser. So I'm going to measure 1.5 inches upward. You remember is I went in by 1.5 inches on the pocket. So it's either you bring the back part, the back part and the front side, the side, they are exactly the same. You bring the back part and place it on the pockets. Make sure the sides are equal. You can see the sides are equal. Then you just trim out the shape and cut it out. So you can do this at the beginning, but I actually forgot. But it is advisable to do it when you finish your pockets, because you can do it at the beginning now, and at the end of the day it became shorter and you have problem with your measurements, because this trouser is going to have band at the waist. It's a fitted trouser. So what I'm going to do next now is to join both the front and the back with 1/2 inch. So I'll just finish it, and this is how it looks like. You can see the pockets. So this is how the pocket looks like. I'm just trying to put my scissors inside. You can see that it is slanted. You can see the upper part is left with 1 inch. Remember, I went in by 1.5 and I have stitched with 1/2 inch. We have 1 inch left out. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.